Paul.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just looking through the NOLO's Encyclopedia of Everyday Law,
Yes.
and it has what is known as court representing yourself in.
Yes.
Then there's the collection of judgments, cost savings of, and court rules.
Yeah.
Criminal cases, depositions, discovery, the elements of a legal claim, the evidence needed, and then the free legal help as alternative to.
Yeah.
Then there's the jury trial right to, law coach to assist with,
Yeah.
mediation, online court information, overview, paperwork for preparation for trial.
Yes.
Then there's that process of trial generally, strength of your case, determining and witness examinations.
Yeah.
Then see also lawsuits and small claims court.
Yeah.
Now, it looks like this everyday law, it makes available the use of the court system of the United States to those that are citizens. I know a lot of judges and attorneys think that they're the ones that gets to use the court.
Yeah.
But I thought that the court was there for the individuals known as the actual citizens of the United States. Now, if you're an employee of the court and you thought it was yours,
Yeah.
and you go to work there every day,
Mm-hmm.
and your thought was, well, actually, I'm more important than the court itself.
Yeah.
I'm an employee of the court. And my job is to work at the court. And since I work at the courts are really not for those that are citizens. They're for those that are the employees of the court. Now, my concern is that I've informed law enforcement of my want to use the courts.
Yes.
And a couple different times over the last 8 years, some different individuals suggested to me that I should get an attorney,
Right.
I should motion the court, and that if I have a problem with you as a judge,
Yes.
I should just tell you what the problem is. Now, let's say you're obstructing me from deposing you.
Yes.
You're obstructing me from suing you. You're obstructing me from discovery, something I'd mentioned in the past, where the citizens of the United States are the actual individuals that have the right to use the court,
Yes.
not the employees of the court. Now, I'll give you an example. Yesterday, we talked about just jurisdiction, yeah, or radica or something like this. It's one of these in the State Department. It was comity,
Yes.
reciprocity, and res jurisdicta.
Yeah.
And the other courts of the world, they have similar employees that go there every day,
Yes.
thinking, well, it's my job to be at the court, and it's my court, and since it's my court, we as humanity have no right to use it. Now, I gave the example of defendant found incompetent to stand trial.
Yes.
Now, let's say I took in these couple of judgments
Yes.
from the two different courts, Clallam and Jefferson County,
Yes.
and I said to the judge, well, you issued a dissolution of marriage
Yeah.
where I didn't get any actual notice of the court hearing.
Yes.
The marriage certificate was issued from the United Nations.
Yes.
I didn't get a dissolution of marriage. And I'm kind of thinking my wife didn't include the stipulation and order from Guam.
Yeah.
Now, more than likely, you're gonna look at this.
Yes.
You're gonna say, Paul,
Yeah.
as a result of mental disease or defect, you are no longer able to. Oh, see, you're gonna enforce your own fraud. That's what you're gonna do.
Yeah.
Now, Brent, you're going to enforce your own fraud.
Yeah.
I had this problem with Jefferson County. Uh, defendant found incompetent.
Yes.
Defendant found incompetent to stand trial because the professional person from the state of Washington
Yes.
said that I was persecutory delusional, yes, for knowing I wasn't in Jefferson County, right, and knowing that I hadn't emailed any of the coworkers in the Brennan School District. Yeah. Now, over the last 8 years, there have been numerous individuals that have suggested to me, yeah, that I should get an attorney. And I said, no, this is an actual crime. This is something that has to be prosecuted. True. And you actually have to go to prison. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Yes, you have to go to prison. That would go for the sheriff's department right now. You each can go to prison. See, the county, yes, is enforcing their fraud. I gave you a screen print of what the Seattle Municipal Code says, yes, is forgery. Yeah. And I informed the Seattle Police Department that every officer in Seattle Police Department, they can go to prison. Now, when your municipal code, yes, defines what the law is, yes, and this little county, yeah, and this little state known as the state of Washington wants me to motion a court that violates